Hi and welcome to CTech. I'm Åsa Johansson, and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our NJORD GO portable EV charger. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTech. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Here we have the charger. As you can see, it has a tough plastic case, which is both lightweight and durable. It comes with fixed heavy-duty cables for maximum durability. The shorter 1.5 meter cable has a CEE plug, which enables fast and reliable EV charging. On the longer 5 meter cable, we have a Type 2 connector, which makes the NJORD GO fit almost any EV vehicle in the market today. If we take a closer look at the casing, you'll notice that the NJORD GO has no buttons. Charging is fully automatic. You can unlock additional functions such as scheduling by using the CTech app that connects your phone to the NJORD GO via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections. In the box, you will also find your NJORD GO PIN code, which you will need to connect the charger to the CTech app. Finally, there's the manual, which shows you exactly how to set up and use the charger. And that's the NJORD GO unboxed. Thank you for watching.